Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your content has been removed on Instagram. So let me show you how you can fix your issue when your content is removed from Instagram due to violation or uncertain reasons. So now without any further ado, let me guide you with these steps. So first of all, launch Instagram app on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now simply tap on the circle icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you are here on your main profile, simply tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you come here, simply scroll down below, almost to the bottom, and under More Info and Support, simply tap on Help. Now once you come here, select the option of Report a Problem on top. Now over here, you'll see a window like this appear on your screen. That is a new feature by Instagram. When you shake your phone, you'll see this window open again. You can also turn off the toggle for this option. So for now, let's tap on the option of Report Problem without shaking. With that, you will be led to this page. If you wish to, you can also include complete logs and diagnostics over here. Tap on Include and Continue, or you can simply tap on Don't Include and Continue. After this, you will be directed to this page where you have to write your feedback about your issue. So for instance, I'm just going to write this problem, and after you write your feedback, just tap on the option of Send at the top right corner of your screen. So once your problem has been reported, Instagram will reach out to you within a few hours regarding your solution. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to fix your issue of your content has been removed from Instagram. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.